Una sa ating balitaan, sa pagharap ni Ruby Tuason sa Senado, malaki ang kumpiyansa ng Malacanang na magiging malaki ang pahagi ni bilang state witness. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami, April Tenerio.
Kumbinsido si Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago na isang perfect state witness si Ruby Tuason sa pork barrel scam. Malakas niya ang testimonya na nagsilbing bagman ni Janet Lim Napoles dahil siya mismo ang personal na nagbibigay ng pera sa mga sangkot na mambabatas.
All whistleblowers would not give eyewitness testimony, they were just record keepers. So here we have a person who personally dealt with some of the accused here, particularly the senators involved.
Matatanda ang idinetalye ni Tuason ang kanyang naging ugnayan at transaksyon kay Napoles at sa ilang mambabatas na dawit sa eskandalo. Kabilang dito ang direktang pagbibigay umano niya ng kickbacks kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
I delivered here in the Senate before.
Yes.
Okay. And
Was it one occasion or several occasions?
I did it like at least twice. We would both go up to the elevator
Okay.
and go to the 6th office and dun sa loob. And then he has his desk and ilalagay lang doon sa floor.
Pati maging si Senator Juan Ponce Enrile ay nakatatanggap rin anya ng komisyon mula sa pag-aabot ni Tuason sa dating Chief of Staff ni Enrile na si Attorney Gigi Reyes, kung saan minsan ay sinusundo na naturang senador matapos ang kanilang transaksyon.
If our driver is standing there, it should be handed to him. He doesn't know naman what's inside. And besides, he's very trustworthy.
It would be handed to him,
Yeah.
the driver
Yes.
of.
Of Attorney Reyes. About his behalf, we never talked about kickbacks. I never handed him anything. The only time was a couple of times, I would say like 2 times, while we were having lunch, he would arrive and have coffee and then leave, or he would pick up Attorney Reyes.
Nanindigan si Santiago na hindi lusot si Enrile sa naturang maanumalyang transaksyon kahit na hindi siya ang direktang binibigyan ng pork barrel kickbacks mula kay Napoles. Samantala, nakukulangan naman si Senator Antonio Trillanes sa testimonya ni Tuason at naniniwala siya na hindi pa nito sinasabi ang buong katotohanan kaugnay ng 10 billion pesos pork barrel scam. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, April Emerio.